हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट अ क्लस्टर बाय यूजिंग Node.js with the help of PM2 third party application. So basically what is PM2? PM2 is a production process manager for Node that maintained and build a load balancers for your applications. It's allow you to keep up your applications always live and reload them without any downtime and facilities. So this is the good and one of the strongest uh, library which currently we are using to maintaining and running their applications on the cloud service. So let's start with development. इंस्टॉल करते हैं अपने सिस्टम पे npm install। मैं अपने सिस्टम में कर रहा हूँ इसलिए मैंने ग्लोबल डाला है और pm2। So now pm2 is installed on the system. Now I'm going to write a code to create the cluster. For this, let http dot create server। हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे http dot create server हमने किया और उसमें हमने रिस्पॉन्स सेट में 200 रिस्पॉन्स सेट कर दिया और हर वर्ड को मैंने यहाँ पर लिसन कराया बाय यूजिंग पोर्ट नंबर 8080। So now I need to run pm2 start and then file name app.js और इसको कितने इंस्टेंस में क्रिएट करने हैं तो वी आर क्रिएट 5। It's already running, so first we need to stop this। Yes, it's getting stopped। Yeah, so all are the getting stopped and now I am going to run it। कितने इंस्टेंस क्रिएट करने हैं ये आपको डालना पड़ेगा। तो now I am going to create 10 instance। So earlier I have created some of the instances that was already including here। Okay, and so see this multiple instances have been created here and what kind of memory is getting consumed by this cluster। Status is online and application name that is a app by default which is getting here। इसको आगे हम क्रिएट करते हैं, इसको स्टॉप करते हैं। स्टॉप all the clusters are getting stopped by using this command। Now I need to create a different cluster। So I have created one new file that is a cluster server। Now I am going to write here predefined functions of PM2। इंटेलिजेंस में ऑलरेडी ये प्रोवाइड कर दिया। Just remain this not required. Yes. So I have created here some of the clusters here. Now I need to run this PM2 start and the file name. Clusters are Node.js. So it's showing stopped. I need to check this why this is getting stopped, because it should be start as per command. So now we have created the cluster. Check this. Now going to run the command to start it. PM2 first we need to check the status. So there are two clusters that are getting created, app and cluster server. I think there is some error in the cluster servers which created. So in the app, this is getting online. I need to stop this by command. So let's write the command PM2 stop and ID 1, because see the ID which is defined for apps cluster, that is 1. So now I am going to run this command. So now this has stopped. You can create multiple clustering here. Suppose that you need to create multiple cluster. Just write PM2 start I, that is required, and write the support at 10. You need to create 10 clusters. The name of I. Mm, I think I do not. Oh, sorry. I will start and file name app.js I, and then already created. Okay, PM2 status. So it's consuming this. I need to create multiple clustering on this. So let me try start that is a command I think which is running there. Okay. Script not found. My road okay. PM2 status. Yeah, multiple app we have created here.